Don't become hateful where your tongue kills and destroys because you say, well, they can't hear me. Let me tell you something about how something can travel. When you speak, whether you speak truth or whether you speak negative, okay? Either when you speak truth, the angels come for your words and they take your words of truth and they carry them to truth. They lay them at the feet of Jesus and he presents them to God. When you speak negative and you speak hate, there are demonic spirits that wait for that. And they get a hold to your tongues and they carry them for destruction. So remember that. So what you say, I don't kill. Yes, you do, because your words, they produce life or death out of your tongue. Okay, that's why the word says you can bridle the horse's mouth.
There's something nobody told you about becoming her, okay? It doesn't start with money. It doesn't start with a man. And it doesn't even start with a plan. It starts with your words, girl. Do you hear me? What you whisper to yourself when nobody's listening. The moment that I stopped speaking lack, my life stopped lacking. The moment that I stopped begging, that's when I started to build. Do you hear what I'm saying? Hey, Rych Babes, it's Robyn Milan, and welcome back to A Rich Girl's Glow Up. Girl, today we are going to be talking about the power of your words. Do you know how powerful your words are? Like, what do you actually say to yourself when you're speaking to yourself? Do you know that yourself is listening? Yourself is always listening. Even when no one else is around, what do you actually say to yourself? That's the most important thing ever. Do you understand? Like, the power of your words, it brings vibration. And whatever that you are calling on, it is coming back forth to you. So be careful about what you say. Do you understand me? Like, when you put I am in front of your words, like, that is so powerful. You are commanding things to come forth to you. So every time you say I am in a negative word, girl, you better watch out. Do you understand me? Or every time you say I am with a positive word, okay, so either way, whatever you say, good or bad, it's going to come to you. So you wonder why when people always say something like, oh, something always happens. I don't say that. I'd be like, you know what? Something always good happened to me. Everything always works out in my favor. Everything always works out in my favor because I will not be speaking that over my life. Do you understand me? So also, I just want to give a wonderful shout out to those who have purchased, who have placed their orders for their necklaces, for their perfumes. I am just so at awe with y'all. Like, y'all, the orders was coming. Do you hear me? The orders was coming. So I'm just so grateful. Listen, it is a limited launch. Do you understand me? So I don't have that many left. So if you didn't place your order, please make sure you place your order. Get your necklace, hun. Get your necklace. So with that being said, make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and I will be back shortly.
The one thing that you'll never catch me doing is saying something negative about myself or my situation.
Why is that?
Every single time you have a thought or statement, especially when it's negative towards yourself, it activates these areas in your brains that make connections. And oftentimes these are associations with that specific thought or statement. So for instance, let's take that you say to yourself, I'm not good enough. Well, you say it the first time, but if this statement is repeated over time, what ends up happening is that these pathways that connected the first time you said it strengthen and they become more robust. Now, the thing is that not only when repeated over time, it becomes solidified as a belief system, but because that negative thought, I'm not good enough, is associated with emotions like fear, frustration, sadness, what it activates is learning. It activates your memory system. And the dangerous thing is that once they become learned statements, they become part of the belief system that you hold for yourself. Hence, you're not good enough. And so what the brain does, it has this natural tendency then in your everyday life to literally find evidence for this belief. So you could be doing anything and your brain will find a way to connect what you're doing with the fact that you're not good enough. And this is what you call confirmation bias. It's trying to find ways to solidify that learned behavior even more. And once that happens, well, it becomes an implicit belief. And the implicit belief, subconsciously think you're not good enough. That's how belief systems are made.
Whenever somebody speaks negativity over your life, you have to immediately rebuke it. Immediately rebuke it. A lot of people don't realize that words are spells. And even if you're not the one saying it, if someone else is saying it, it still has power, because there's a lot of power in the tongue. People will try to downplay your skills and your talents. People will try to tell you what you can or cannot achieve. And this is one of the reasons why you just got to stay quiet sometimes. Everybody doesn't deserve to know everything you're doing and everything you're working on. Sometimes you'll have a good flow and then suddenly things just don't work out and you're wondering like why things aren't working out. It's because of the negativity that other people are speaking over your life. Anytime that somebody comes to me with negativity over my life, I immediately say I do not subscribe to that reality. I do not claim that energy. You'll be so surprised how many people do not want to see you win. Rebuke that energy and keep yourself spiritually protected, because it is very real out here.
Okay, so the first concept, my love, is that your words are programming you. Did you know that? Like, you don't even realize it, but your life is built on the words that you speak the most. Oh, I'm sad. I can't. I hope. I don't know. What are you doing? I'm broke. Ooh, I don't even like those words. And what it does to your life, it obeys. Like, self-talk is a mental soft wire. Like, you are either coding a version of yourself that glows up or one that stays stuck. Do you understand, girl? Do you understand? If every day that you're speaking from frustration and fear and fatigue, you are programming that into your reality, and then you wonder why you stay overwhelmed, babe. That's not fate. That is repetition. I've been telling you about repetition. You are not cursed. You are just consistent with the wrong story. I'm trying to help you. The second concept is confirmation bias. Okay, confirmation bias is making you believe, okay? It's making you believe it. And the psych fact is that your brain loves to be right. It's called confirmation bias. So when you say, oh, nothing good ever happens to me, yeah, your brain is gonna go looking for the proof. Like, that's why you miss blessings. That is why even when someone compliments you, you doubt it, girl. Like, you're not rejecting them, you are rejecting yourself first. Okay, like, holla if you hear me. Like, your life reflects the conversations that you have in private, not the ones that you post on public. You can affirm in the morning, but if you complain for the rest of the day, guess who wins? The words with the most energy. Period. Point blank. And concept number 3 is that your vocabulary is your vibration. Do you hear me? Words carry vibration. It carry frequency. Try this. Instead of saying I'm tired, say my body is calling for restoration because I've been pouring into my purpose. Do you understand? You see the difference, boo? Do you see the difference? Like, shift that I am broke to my money is currently reallocating to make space for more wealth. Okay, period. Like, holla if you hear me. Like, it might sound silly at first, but watch how your body responds, boo. Like, stand taller, move differently. You start respecting yourself. Like, when I stopped letting my words betray me, I stopped like attracting betrayal from others. Ooh, do you see what I'm saying here? Do you see what I'm saying, girl? Concept number 4 is mirror talk will change your whole reality. Like, every morning I started looking myself dead in the eye, like, not with the makeup on, not with the filters, not even with the wig, girl, just me and my truth. And I'd say, like, you are safe to win. You are worthy without performing. You are worthy without proving. You are her, not becoming her. You are already her. I know it feels weird, but I kept doing it, okay? And slowly I started moving differently, okay? I made better decisions. I stopped begging for the crumbs, girl. I started to expect like luxury in all things, love, money, and peace, not because I manifested, but because I spoke into existence. And I actually mean that. You are a co-creator. If you don't know that, you are a piece of God, girl. But anyway, concept number 5 is repetition beats resistance. There, let me say it again. Repetition beats resistance. Do you understand? There will be days you do not believe it. Like, I understand. Days your reality screams louder than your affirmations, but say it anyway, girl. Like, because repetition is how the brain learns, not belief, but repetition. You didn't learn self-hate overnight. It was repeated. You won't master self-love overnight either, but you can repeat something, okay? Something new every day, even when it's hard, especially when it's freaking hard, girl. Do you understand? That's how we learn the ABCs. We say it over and over and over again, right? Okay. Concept number 6 is build her one sentence at a time. I'm not asking for permission anymore. I attract what I expect. I am a soft woman in her rich era. I don't chase, I choose. Okay, period. Bars. These are the bricks. These are the foundations. Your words are building her. And when you finally say them enough times, one day you'll wake up and realize that you are not speaking to your future self anymore. You are her, girl. Do you hear me? Holla if you hear me, baby. Okay, so Rych Babes, listen. Don't forget to get your necklace and your perfume. Stop playing. So listen, babe, like, you don't have to beg to be seen anymore. You don't have to settle just because the world told you to. Stay humble. You don't need another sign. This is your sign, okay? You've been dimming your voice so long. You forgot the power it carries. Girl, stand up. You let people doubt become your self-talk. You let rejection become your internal, like, ringtone, baby. Like, but today you speak differently. Today you declare differently, okay? Because the version of you're stepping into, she's built different. She speaks from power, not pain, from abundance and not apology, from vision and not victimhood, okay? You don't need 100 affirmations, girl. You just need one truth, okay? And you say it with your whole chest and the courage to repeat it until your life starts to listen. Do you understand, girl? Okay. So today, my loves, like, say it like you mean it. Say it until the tears dry up. Say it until your bank account matches. Say it until your environment shifts, okay? Say it until there's no going back. Keep saying it, baby. Because, Rych Babe, the moment that your words change, everything else does too. Do you hear me, girl? Period. So if you are ready to build the woman that you know that you are, start with your words and take the next steps with action. All right. The Becoming Her Kids is still live on richmilanco.com. Stop playing. Okay, stop playing. This product drop, okay? This is your mirror. This is your proof. Stop hesitating. I see you on my website, okay? This is your permission slip to be loud, luxurious, and full of bloom, right? I know you want the necklace and the perfume, okay? You don't need another plan. You need a new vocabulary. And a reminder that the woman that you are becoming, she's already inside of you, just waiting for you to speak her name. Do you understand? Holla if you hear me. Listen, I'm just so grateful to God for my Rych Babes. It's like, I'm just so grateful to God for all my Rych Babes. Oh, why did I almost forget? The mystery shopper. Oh my God, the mystery shopper. Rakina Johnson, come to the front, Rych Babe. Come to the front, Rych Babes. Listen, I almost forgot to say that. Rakina, I hope I'm saying it right. Rakina Johnson, okay? Rakina Johnson, come to the front, girl. You are my mystery shopper. You placed your order. You was not playing, girl. I see you, I hear you, and you're going to get yourself an extra Rych Babe kit just because you did exactly what you were supposed to do, girl. I'm so grateful for all the orders, and I was able to go ahead and just pick a mystery runner. She was not playing. Do you hear me? She was, listen. Listen. Okay, she was not playing. Thank you all so much for placing in your orders. I will start packing your orders on Monday, and then shipping them out as soon as I can. I'm so mad because Vistaprint was playing with me, talking about something, they're going to send my stuff back. And I said, y'all didn't even send it to me. So I was online with Vistaprint representative trying to get my thank you cards, my stickers for my boxes and all that other stuff like that. So I don't want to keep you all waiting. So therefore, I'm just going to just do like a handwritten note or something, and put it in your box, because they said that my thank you cards and my business cards and all that stuff won't even come until Friday. So you're going to have boxes without the labels. Like, oh my God, like so unprofessional. But it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's all right. Everything else was here. Everything else is all right. I'm not even tripping. You know why? Because my Rych Babe show love to me. You understand? Things happen. Things are going to happen when, behind closed doors. I know I mentioned it in the unboxing, that things be happening behind closed doors. But it's okay. You know what I'm saying? Just keep going. Keep thriving, keep shining, keep becoming her, keep being a Rych Babe that you are. I love you all so much. If you have not placed the order for your Rych Babe kit, your necklace, or your perfume, or all together, girl, I'm trying to tell you, this shit smells good as fuck. You're loafing, you're playing, you jiving, whatever you want to call it. You listen, this and this. Oh, girl, listen, like, please do listen. Once these bottles are gone, once these necklaces are gone, I don't know when I'm going to do another launch. You understand? Like, I understand. Listen, I get it, but I'm not sure when I'm going to do another launch. So with that being said, make sure you get your Rych Babe necklace. If you are a Rych Babe, you are a true Rych Babe, you're going to get yourself a necklace. These are custom necklaces. And also, this is my homemade perfume that you will never get nowhere else. And make sure that you get the updated Becoming Her ebook. It is updated, 186 pages. I rewritten that thing. Do you understand me? I rewritten it. Do you understand me? So therefore, you want to get yourself something amazing. Do you understand? Not only that, I got it in digital, and I published it as an author on Amazon. So stop playing with me. Stop playing with yourself. Get the hardcover off of Amazon. The link is going to be in the description box. If you just want the digital version, it's $25. Get it off my website. The link is going to be in the description box. Okay. If you want the necklace and the perfume, the link is going to be in the description box. Stop playing with your life. Stop playing. We are growing and glowing. We are growing and glowing up in here. Do you understand? Up in here, All right, my loves, I ain't gonna hold you no more. Become the woman who walks in a room and make people wonder. Secure the bag, protect your peace, and stay rich, Rych Babes. I love you so much. Thank you all so much again for placing your orders. You guys are... Y'all made me cry. Y'all made me shed a tear, because I said, oh my God. And Rakina Johnson, please make sure that you DM me. Please make sure that you DM me and congratulate her. Please congratulate our sis, okay? She made it into the mystery shopper giveaway. Rakina Johnson, thank you so much, my love. All right, until next time, stay rich, Rych Babes. Love you.